What if I told you my blog writes itself every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m.? No human involved. I'm serious while I'm sleeping, having coffee, or working on client projects. This system is putting the latest AI news, writing full SEO optimized blog posts, creating custom images, and publishing everything to WordPress automatically. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I built using N8N, a free automation tool combined with ChatGPT, Pixels, and WordPress. By the end, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to build your own AI content machine. Let's dive in. Here's what this automation actually does. Every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m., it kicks off automatically. First, it pulls the top 10 trending AI articles from 5 different sources: TechCrunch, The Verge, Hacker News, Reddit, and Google News. Then, it sorts them by date, picks the freshest content, and feeds all the information to ChatGPT. The AI analyzes these articles and writes a comprehensive 1500 to 2000 word blog post that synthesizes all the insight. But it doesn't stop there. It will create an SEO optimized title, meta, description, and URL struct. It converts everything into WordPress compatible HTML with proper formatting. It even searches pixels for a relevant cover images based on the title, downloads it, and sets it as the featured image. Finally, it publishes everything to WordPress as a draft, waiting for you to review and publish. Let me show you exactly how to build this step by step. Before we start building, here's what you will need: a free N8N account. You can self-host or use their cloud version. An OpenAI API key for ChatGPT, a WordPress site with API access enabled, and a free Pixel API key for image generation. First, we need a trigger. Click the plus button and search for schedule trigger and add it to the canvas. Set the mode to cron and add this expression. This means 9 a.m. every Monday and Thursday. Now, we will add 5 RSS feed read nodes, one for each news source. Click the plus button after the schedule trigger and search for RSS feed read. So here are the 5 URLs we are using. I will put these in the description, but let me show you where to paste them. So here we will paste them. Add 4 more RSS feed nodes, one for each source. Just duplicate the first node to save time. Now, we will need to combine all 5 feeds into one stream. Add a merge node and set it to have 5 input. Connect each RSS node to different input on the merge node. This creates one unified list of articles. Now, add a sort node to organize articles by publication date, a newest first. Set the field name to pub date and order to descending. This ensures we are always working with the freshest contents. Now, we only want the top 10 most recent articles, so add a code node with this simple JavaScript. Here's the code, you can copy it from the description. This takes all the sorted articles and returns just the first 10. Add another code node. This one formats all the articles into a clean, readable list that ChatGPT can understand. Here's the formatting code. This pulls the title, source, link, date, and description for each article. Notice at the bottom, I'm also adding a target keyword and company description. This is where you customize the content to match your brand. Change this to fit your business. Now for the main AI agent that writes the blog post, add a basic LLM chain or AI agent node. Connect your OpenAI credential and select GPT-4 or Mini as the model. It's cost effective and produces excellent results. Now for the most important part, the prompt. This tells the GPT exactly how to write the blog post. Here it is. Notice the variables in the double curly braces. This pulls data from the various nodes. This is how we inject the articles, keyword, and company info into the prompt. You can customize this prompt to match your brand voice and target audience. WordPress needs HTML, not plain text. Add an OpenAI node after the copywriter action. Select GPT-4 or Mini again, and here's the HTML formatting prompt. This prompt is very specific about structure and styling. The key is that the last line. It tells GPT to output raw HTML without markdown code blocks. Now we need the SEO title, meta description, and the URL slug. Add another AI agent node. This time, add a structure output parser to the agent. This forces ChatGPT to return clean JSON. In the parser, define the JSON schema like this. After this, now we need to combine the HTML, the original blog content, and the SEO metadata. Add a merge node with three input. Connect the HTML node to input 1, the copywriter agent to input 2, and the SEO agent to input 3. Then add an aggregate node to package everything into one clean object. Sometimes ChatGPT adds markdown code blocks around the HTML. Let's strip those out. Add a field called content and use this expression. This removes any backticks or HTML code block markers, leaving us with pure HTML. Now add a WordPress node after the cleanup step. Set up the credentials first. Select post as the resource and create as the operation. Now we need to map our fields. For the title, use this expression to pull from our metadata. For the content, use the cleaned HTML from the set node. For the slug, use this expression. Set the status to draft so you can review before publishing. Set the author ID to 1, close comments and disable stick. Here we get fully formatted blog posts ready to review. Before that, let's add the cover image. We will use AI to generate better image search keywords. Add an OpenAI message model node after the WordPress node. Use GPT-4o for this, it's better a creative task. Here's the prompt. This takes the blog title and convert it into visual search terms. Add an HTTP request node to search pixels for images. Set the method to get and use this URL. In the header section, add an authorization header with your Pixels API key. To get the free Pixels API key, go to pixels.com/API, sign up, and they will give you a key instantly. Link in the description. After that, add another HTTP request node to download the image file. Set the URL to this. This pulls the high resolution image URL from the Pixels response under option Set response format to file. This tells Anneton to download the actual image as binary data. Now, add an HTTP request node to upload the image to WordPress media library. Set method to post and use this URL. For replace with your actual WordPress URL under authentication, select predefined credential type and choose your WordPress credential. Add the content disposition header so WordPress knows the file name. Set body to binary data and use data as the input field name. After that, final step, this image as the feature image for a blog post. Add one more HTTP request node. Set method to post and use this URL. Add the query parameter called featured media with the value this. This connects the uploaded image to the blog post. Use the same WordPress authentication. Alright, the workflow is complete. Let's test the entire thing end to end. This will take 3 to 5 minutes. You will see each node light up green as it processes. Perfect, all green. Let's check the result. Here's a blog post complete with the SEO title, formatted content, and a professional cover image, all generated and published automatically. And there is. And there you have it, a complete AI blog writing system that runs on autopilot. This workflows pulls trending news, writes comprehensive articles, optimizes for SEO, finds images, and publishes everything to WordPress without you lifting a finger. Once you activate this workflow, it will run every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. automatically. You just review the draft and hit publish. I have included all the code snippets, prompt and API sign up link so you don't have to pause the video constantly. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any question in the comments. I read every single one and I'll help you troubleshoot. And subscribe if you want more automation tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.